Fix Facebook notifications not working on Android. If any day you are an Android user and also a Facebook user and your Facebook notifications are not working and you're quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, you have to go to the settings option on the top and then tap on it. After you tap on the settings option, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the search like icon on your mobile device and then search apps out there. After you search apps out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of the apps. After you tap on the option of the apps, you can see the very list of the applications that are on your very mobile device. Now you have to scroll down until you find the option of the Facebook and then tap on it. After tapping on Facebook, you can see an interface like this. Now the most important step is you have to tap on the notifications. And sometimes what may happen is the allow notification may not be enabled. So you have to just enable the allow notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back and then to the option of the permissions. After tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, and photos and videos. After that, you can go back and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable, open the supported links, and then go back again. After going back, you have to go to the option of storage, and after tapping on storage, you have to check whether there is any cache or not, and you have to clear down the cache by tapping on clear the cache. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, now you have to check whether your very application is in the current version or not. After you check it, you can either go to the very Google Play Store, and after tapping on the Google Play Store, you can go to the search icon and you can also update your very application from there. Otherwise, your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.